Sri Ganeshaya Namaha. Namaste everyone. So this is a short video I am making to show you how to use our tool for your Sanskrit learning. So let's begin. You have to go open a browser. Here I have opened Chrome browser, and in the URL page write saukalyam.org. So once you enter, it will contact server and will serve you this page. So you can see here there is a lock sign, which is if you see, it is saying your connection is secure and you have a valid certificate. So this way you can be rest assured, like anything, any you password or anything you are typing on this side is reaching to server with security. No one in between can see, and all the data, whatever sensitive data like password and all, are hashed at the server. So even the person who has server access also can't see your password, etc. So be confident and use it without these kind of worries. So when you just log in, you will see like what is about, what we are doing. So few things we still have to populate. This I am not doing as full time. Whenever I get time from my office work, some here and there, then I keep on adding things. So pardon for any links which are not available. But basically you can see contact us and write us. These both are to, if you have something to tell us. Login is to log in if you already have an account created with us. And if you don't have account with us, then this is the button, register. Down we have a channel where this video is uploaded and some other NCERT and other course related videos also will keep updating here, that can be accessed from here. So if you see in the quick links, so you can see there are announcements which is still not populated, latest post not populated, calendars not populated. Courses is a page where we have list of the things currently we have in our website. Some tools our website offer, they are here, and a blog for anyone can write at this blog. Currently we have only one post for the initial inaugural post. So ideally we should begin by registering ourselves. So I will register. Once you will click on register, you will see this page, join today. So you can choose here username. What I would suggest, like whatever email you are going to give, use that same username of email, not after @ part, only before @ part as your username, so that you never forget. So I am using Sri Rama my as username. First name is Shri and second name can be Rama. Gender is male. Why we need gender? Because we have to address you as per your gender in Sanskrit, so this is required. Why we need your email? This is because if you forget your password and all, we need to give away so that you only can reset your password. So if my email is this, srirama@gmail.com, then I will select this. So here you can see password. It cannot be similar with your personal information. You can't use same name and all. It must be at least 6 characters, and it should not be a common. This all industry standard practices only to keep your account secure so that other cannot log in. So I am putting my password again here, then subscribe. So here it is clear. You click to receive updates from us. So I would like it. We will not spam. Only currently we are not sending any mails. Going forward, we will send only something which is very important. Then this button you have to click. This button will try to test you like you are not a machine. So this is in. It is asking like which is the pedestrian pathway in which all squares. So we can select. In this all is the pedestrian pathway shown, and then we can say, so then it figures out, okay, you are not a machine, you are a human. After this I will click sign up. So now you can see here on top in green, you can see like Swagatam Shri Mahodaya, your account has been created. So now I can log in using the same account. So since password is already known to me. So this is the same page. If you have forgotten the password or somehow you landed, you don't have account, again you can go to sign up from here. So after putting that, I will click login. So once you will log in, then you will see like you have a screen, same screen, footer is same, channel, copyright and write to us, but top bar is changed. Now you have a profile edit option. This we will update later. This is post create for blog post create. This is your name and welcome. So while writing first name, if you will write properly, it will look good to you. This is the blog link, home link and home link. So currently you can see like we have uh, quiz and quiz leaderboards shown on the top. So we'll come and start from this tab, courses tab. So if you click there, you can see in courses we have two courses, Sanskrit Bharati correspondence course. Under Sanskrit Bharati correspondence course we have level 1 Pravesha, and for that we have workbook and quiz. And for NCERT class 6, this all is in Hindi medium. So this is the book of NCERT. This is the first introductory slide and YouTube video. They all are, both are in Hindi. And this is the first chapter of their book, the first chapter slide and video and quiz for first chapters. We are working to add other chapters going forward. So we'll start from your quiz. Workbook also you can see, if you click that, it will open a workbook here. You can see it contains everything. I would ask you to just go through it. Then if you see set quiz, you can see here you are landed on a new page. So these are the quiz rules. So it says all the quizzes are multiple choice quizzes with one correct answer. So questions are displayed in random. So if two people are doing the same chapter quiz, they may get different questions at a time. So, and you will get one question only once. So quiz will resume from where last time you left, and refresh or back on browser will serve you new quiz counting earlier as attempted. Answer is evaluated and submitted on the result is shown. So after doing the quizzes, you will get some badges also to keep you motivated and keep you continuing. So first, if you have answered some quiz fastest than others, then you will get a rabbit. Rabbit means Shashaka Padakam, what we have written there. If you do correct 3 in a row, you will get a deer badge. If you do 50 in a row, you will get a kangaroo badge. If you do 100 in a row correct, you will get an eagle badge. So if you complete whole chapter right or wrong, you will get a turtle badge. So these badges are chapter wise. So now you can see here we have the two courses as of now. First one is Sanskrit Bharati Pravesha. We will check this. You now take chapter 1 and create quiz. So once you will click, this page will come. Now the first one is the question. These are the four options in which anyone is correct. This is the submit button, where after selecting the option you have to click. Below you can see it is telling progress, how much you have progressed. You are doing the first question out of 107 total quizzes. Attempted before means 41 times before than you. Some other 41 people have attempted this, or people have got 41 times these questions. And anytime you forgot like which course and which chapter you are, so this is SBPR, Sanskrit Bharati Pravesha, and chapter 1. Complexity of this question is 0 and it contains 1 mark. So we'll see iyam iti sarvanam padam asti. So it is a prathama vibhakti ekvachanam. So other you can see bahuvachanam, it is not there and it is strilinga. So after this I will submit. So once you will submit, it will say again show the question. It will show bhavata uttaram because I selected my gender as male. So that is correct. It is in green color. If you do wrong, the color will change to red. So now it is telling Bhavan Samyak Kritvan. You did good. And there is the high five, this thing to show like you did something good. So bottom again you see. So you took 60 seconds to answer this question. So as of now, you have one correct answer and you have attempted only one question. And for this same question, best time was 10 seconds by some Vidya. So this is the information you will have here. So this way you have to give the all 107 quizzes. You can, if you are not free to do it one shot, you can leave the quiz here because it is showing you the result. You can simply click anywhere and it will take you back to wherever, and nothing is lost. Don't leave the quiz when question is presented to you. Attempt the question, then leave. Anytime you can again click on the quiz, again go there on that quiz page and again select chapter 1. It will again start for remaining questions. Now you want to see how you did and how you did in comparison with others, so you can click here. So this is the leaderboard. It is showing till now 50 players have played this quiz with marks more than 0. And let's see where our name is. It should be at bottom. So you will see this is a green line. So this is telling like you have it is your account. So if you hover over there, it will show. So that you don't have any rabbit means any question you didn't do fast. You don't have any deer, kangaroo, horse, eagle, or turtle. So let's see anyone who has done recently, that how is their status, like Jayalakshmi P. So if you see, she has 8 rabbits, 34 times she got deer, means 3 in a row correct, 34 times she did. 8 times she did kangaroo and 1 time she did horse. So she has done very nicely, I would say. So this is so suppose now you have done all the courses, all the questions, quizzes in one chapter. So since it has to be served if you only once, so you will not see the any new quiz again for that chapter, and there will button will come for retake. So just here I want to tell you that for first time we have kept it free. So without, just register and give it for first time. But if you want to do multiple time quiz of same chapter or same course, then you have to pay a small fees to us. That is a 300 rupees for 1 year, one course. So that you can initiate by contacting us from here and sending your email registered with us, and which code you want unlimited attempts. So this will not be limited to only quizzes. Later we will add whatever, that also will come free for this license. So when you are writing, you can write, when you are contacting us, you can write the subject for what you are writing. You can write your email ID and you can say CC myself also, so that you also will get a copy of email, and you can again write your message. Click on robot and see if whatever he asks, try to answer and then submit. It will come to us and we'll try to answer you. So this is what there is in quiz. So we'll see the other part of ours, that is the tool. So few small tools just to help your learning we have created. It's like convert Sanskrit time into text. So initially to practice you can use it. So like 1:15 if I say and I ask like what is the time, so it will tell Sapada Ekavadanam. Like this you can use anytime you want. Sometimes it is tough to figure out like how to pronounce things. So for that you can see, like if you have a word dissection, word is dissected in front of you, and you can see from which all words it is which are letters this is made of. You can you can pronounce it better. So for that we have made this page uh, where you can dissect the word and see what are the components. So suppose I am going to dissect a word, what is Sakalyam. So I will say this, submit, right here and submit, and you will say sa, ka, so this way you can learn to pronounce it properly. This here you can write in multiple lipis. So Kannada also you can write, but result will be shown in Devanagari only. And Telugu, Malayalam, IAST, iTrans, SLP, Velthus, all those you can try. So other tool is here. So this here has Swaha, Paraswaha, these things you can figure out. So Shanivasara, today is green line is today. Today is Shanivasara. Here was Shukravasara, Parahya was this. And similarly Shwaha is Bhanuvasara, like that. Then Lipi Parivartanam. Suppose you have to convert something, you have some other thing convert from one encoding to other, so you can use this. So input encoding is Devanagari. Suppose I want to convert same into Kannada, I will do that and submit, and I will get the here Sakalyam. You can convert it to other scripts also, and then Malayalam. And if you want to see how the IAST for this will look, you can see like this with dotted this thing. Similarly for all other encodings. These encodings, if you are not aware and you need, you can just Google and see. So that's it for now. This tool is keep on growing, because as I get time, I will keep on adding. I request you all to please use it for your learning and share it with other like-minded people, especially those who have kids, because if kids start learning our language, then it will live longer than we adults doing in this age. So for any discrepancy in any question, if you feel this question is not correct, something is not proper here, you want to tell something, you want to support this cause by doing some work or by giving some other kind of support, please use this button and write to us. We'll get back to you. So thank you, and thank you for listening to me.